everyone! How are you today? Today, we are all going to Moo's farm!
Yay!
Let's head over and see how Moo's doing. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Then let's go! Oh, there she is! Let's wave to Moo. Hi, Moo! Today, Moo is going to bake a delicious apple pie for Hoopa's birthday. But first, she needs to pick some apples.
Apple.
Oh, what's the matter, Moo? You can't pick the apples? I see. They're too high up for you to reach. Where are Moo's chickens going? They're bringing Moo things that might help her get the apples out of the tree. Can you help Moo pick the right object? Let's see what we have here. A hammer. A broom. A ladder. A tuba? Okay! So, which one do you think will help Moo reach the apples? The ladder! Perfect! Now she'll be able to pick those apples. Well done, guys! You did an awesome job of helping Moo today. Now she'll be able to make her apple pie for Hoopa. Don't forget to save me a piece when it's done. Give me a high five!
Yeah!
See you next time! Bye-bye!